creating a Zoom OAuth connection and integrating it with the EventSpark app. We suggest that you pause this video to open the Zoom configuration chapter in the EventSpark installation guide in a new tab in order to follow along with some of the steps. There may be phrases you would like to copy and paste. You can find the direct link below in the caption. Your Zoom account administrator needs to be signed into Zoom App Marketplace. The Zoom App Marketplace link can also be found in the caption below. Once signed in, click Develop found at the top right-hand side of the page. Select Build App from the drop-down list. Choose OAuth. Provide a name for the app and indicate if it is an account-level or user-managed app. We recommend using account level. Please note this Zoom OAuth app should not be published on the Zoom App Marketplace. Click Create. Your Zoom OAuth app should be created. There are a few more steps that we will come back to, but for now, open up your Salesforce page in a new tab. In Setup, search Auth Providers in the Quick Find box. Click New. Select OpenID Connect. Provide a name. For example, Zoom Connection. Supply the consumer key and consumer secret, as well as the authorized endpoint URL and token endpoint URL from the Zoom app credentials. Make sure to copy and paste these credentials correctly. Leave the user info endpoint URL, token issue, and default scopes fields blank. Click Save. Note the callback URL at the bottom of the page under Salesforce configuration. Copy this callback URL and paste it into the Zoom OAuth app in the redirect URL for OAuth field. Copy the base of the callback URL up until and including .com/ into the Add Allow List field. Click Continue. Provide a short description, for example, used to connect to EventSpark. Provide a long description. You can create this description on your own or copy and paste the short description in this field. Provide your company name. Provide a company contact name and email in the developer contact information field. Click Continue. Click Continue. We need to add the correct read and write scopes to their respective features. Click Add Scopes. For meeting, select the meeting read for admin and meeting write for admin scope. For webinar, select the webinar read for admin and webinar write for admin scope. For recording, select the recording read for admin scope. And lastly, for user, select the user read for admin scope. Click Done. Click Continue. A named credential needs to be set up to allow connectivity between Salesforce and Zoom. Open your Salesforce tab. In Setup, search Named Credentials in the Quick Find box. Click New Legacy in the drop-down. Provide a label of your choosing. Copy and paste the URL from the user guide. Leave certificate blank. Select Named Principal for identity type. Select OAuth 2.0 for authentication protocol. Click the lookup for the authentication provider to populate the field with the auth provider previously created. Leave scope blank, as we will use the scopes defined on the Zoom OAuth app. Check all the checkboxes as shown. Click Save. The system will authenticate with Zoom, so ensure you are a Zoom admin. Click Allow. Congratulations! You have now completed the Zoom OAuth connection configuration.